Hi, this is my third video in the series of English pronunciation where I show you how one sound has a number of different spellings. Very often, if you know these spellings, it helps you work out the likely pronunciation of a new word. Why? Because if you've seen my other two videos here, you already know that English spelling is not always a good guide to pronunciation. So this week, it's the E sound. So please, come with me. First of all, I'm going to show you how to get the sound right. Now, the tongue position is the most important thing when trying to get the sound of a vowel right. Say the E sound and hold it. E, E. Notice how your tongue tip is at the front of the mouth, but it is also high, but not too high or you'll stop the sound altogether. Just to help you notice the difference, say ah. Notice how the tongue is low in the mouth when compared with E. Now notice the jaw. What happened? Yes, when the tongue moves between high and low position, the jaw moves from being slightly closed to slightly open. Got that? If not, go back and practice. Now let's contrast the sound E with I. So E is a long vowel sound. E and I is a short vowel sound. I. The tongue and the jaw stay in exactly the same position for both sounds. Say E, I. E, I. Good. If you need more practice, see my monophthongs video here. So now for a bit of fun. Try this tongue twister to practice the sound before we go on to the spellings. You scream ice cream. We all scream for ice cream. How did you do? Okay, now we've got the sound right, it's time for the spellings. So the most common spelling of the sound E is E-E, as in sleep, sheep, cheese. All words spelt with E-E are pronounced this way. And most words, but not all words, spelt with E-A, as in read, cream, clean, eat, reason, jeans, have this sound. And not forgetting the long E, as in be, we, these, legal, evening. Less common spellings are I, as in machine, police, and IE, as in peace, niece, believe. EI, as in receive, deceive, and EY, as in key, monkey, honey, chocolatey. Now for 3 of my best ever top spelling tips. EI comes in the middle of words, EY comes at the end of words, and my super duper spelling rule, I before E except after C. For example, field is spelt with IE because it follows F, and receive is spelt EI because it follows C. There are a few exceptions, like the word weird, which is spelt W-E-I-R-D. A lot of people get that spelling wrong, by the way. So remember this rule, it's a really good one. And now, here is that all-important exception. It's a very common word with the E sound, but it is spelt with an E-O. As in the word, can you guess what word it is? It's people. Well, now it's practice time. I've written a little poem for you, and as always, I want you to practice reciting it until you sound just like me. So here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, written especially for you, coming all the way from the UK, it's called Ice Cream. There was a young lady from Newcastle who slipped in the street on a parcel. She twisted her knee, went completely dopey, and dreamed she was taken away by an angel. Then one evening up in heaven, she received some clotted cream from Devon. She ate so much she needed a crutch to get out of bed by 7. She began to feel sick, so decided to keep fit and lay off the clotted cream for a bit. So she bought a machine to keep herself lean and make her look like a queen. Alas, poor Eileen was deceived by this machine and didn't lose any weight at all. At the end of the day, she felt like a fool and began eating a tub of ice cream, sent up by Mr. Eaton of 15 Margarine Way. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, love and peace.